Let me show you what you can do if you do not see incoming calls on your Motorola Edge 70. So the main thing that you can do, the most important thing that you can do, is simply check if you have the Do Not Disturb mode activated. So you can, for example, go to Quick Settings or the Control Center, and of course you should be able to find the Modes button, and in here we have the Do Not Disturb mode. So of course, if the DND mode is activated, this can be the reason why you cannot see incoming calls. So make sure that it is off. Now, if the DND mode is not the reason, if you still cannot see incoming calls, or if the DND mode was actually off the whole time, then what you can do is we can open Settings. Next, we're gonna go to Apps. Over here, we're gonna tap to see all apps. Next, tap on these three dots in the upper right corner and choose to show system apps. Now we're gonna use the search icon over here, and we can type phone first. And we should be able to find a bunch of different apps, but first let's go to this main phone app. Now, in this case, we want to force stop the app. Then we're gonna go to notifications. And over here, you want to make sure that all important notifications are enabled. Most of them cannot be really deactivated, so it should be they should be enabled anyway, but just in case, of course, you want to make sure that, for example, full screen notifications is on and notification data and so on and so forth. Besides that, go to permissions and make sure that these permissions are granted. Then we're gonna go to storage and cache, and you want to clear the storage. You want to delete the app data completely. After that, we're gonna go back. Then we're gonna go to phone and messaging storage. In here, open storage and cache. If possible, clear the whole storage. If not, clear cache. And let's go back. In here, we should be able to also find phone calls and do the same thing. So storage and cache, and then clear storage or clear cache if the storage is not available. And in here, we also have the phone services option. So we can go over here as well, storage and cache, clear the storage, and there we go. Besides that, I'm gonna also type call just to see if there are some additional apps that we might want to check. We have the call log, but no, it seems that this is pretty much everything. All right, so after that, once you go through these apps, you want to open the phone app because we force stopped it. And you may notice that now the app looks quite differently. It has that previous style that it had before the recent update. But that is fine. You can still check if you can see incoming calls after that. And of course, the app will update itself after like a short time. And that's pretty much it. Hopefully this will work. You can also perform the restart of the device if you didn't do that yet. So you can reboot your phone to see if that helps as well. But that's pretty much all. Thanks for watching. Leave a like and subscribe.